Are you looking for natural remedies to boost your health? If so, you might want to consider adding garlic and honey to your daily routine. These two ingredients have been used for centuries for their medicinal properties and can offer a wide range of health benefits. From boosting your immune system to improving your heart health, garlic and honey have a lot to offer. So, if you're curious about how these natural powerhouses can benefit your health, keep watching to find out more. Helps with cold and flu symptoms. Garlic and honey can be a powerful combination for fighting off cold and flu symptoms. Garlic has natural antimicrobial properties that can help to fight off viral and bacterial infections, while honey can soothe a sore throat and cough. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has been shown to have antiviral and antibacterial properties. It works by blocking the enzymes that viruses and bacteria need to survive, preventing them from multiplying and spreading throughout the body. Honey, on the other hand, contains antioxidants and antimicrobial properties that can help to soothe a sore throat and reduce coughing. It can also help to coat the throat and protect against further irritation. Some studies have suggested that honey may be just as effective as over-the-counter cough suppressants without the potential side effects. When combined, garlic and honey can help to strengthen the immune system, fight off infections, and provide relief from cold and flu symptoms. So, the next time you feel a cold or flu coming on, try incorporating garlic and honey into your diet or making a warm drink with these two ingredients to help alleviate your symptoms. Boosts immune system. Garlic and honey are both known for their immune-boosting properties, making them a powerful combination for enhancing overall health and well-being. Garlic contains compounds that have been shown to stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are responsible for fighting off infections and diseases. It also contains antioxidants that can protect against cellular damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Honey, on the other hand, has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help to support the immune system and fight off infections. It also contains enzymes that produce hydrogen peroxide, a natural antibacterial agent that can help to prevent the growth of harmful bacteria. Together, these two ingredients can help to enhance the immune system's ability to ward off infections and diseases, lowers blood pressure. Garlic and honey have both been shown to have a beneficial effect on blood pressure levels, which can help to reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Garlic contains compounds that have been shown to relax blood vessels and improve blood flow, which can help to lower blood pressure. It can also help to reduce the production of angiotensin II, a hormone that constricts blood vessels and increases blood pressure. Honey, on the other hand, contains antioxidants and flavonoids that have been shown to have a vasodilatory effect, helping to widen blood vessels and lower blood pressure. In addition, honey contains nitric oxide, a compound that can help to regulate blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels. Several studies have demonstrated the blood pressure lowering effects of garlic and honey, with one study reporting a significant reduction in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure in hypertensive patients who consumed garlic daily. Another study found that consuming honey for 8 weeks led to a significant reduction in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure in adults with high blood pressure. Helps with weight loss. Both garlic and honey have unique properties that can aid in weight loss when consumed as part of a healthy diet and lifestyle. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that has been shown to boost metabolism and increase fat burning. Additionally, garlic can reduce appetite by increasing satiety, which helps to prevent overeating and snacking. Honey, on the other hand, contains natural sugars that can provide a quick burst of energy without causing a spike in blood sugar levels. This can help to reduce cravings for sugary foods and prevent overeating. Furthermore, honey contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help to regulate blood sugar levels, which is important for maintaining a healthy weight. Overall, consuming garlic and honey as part of a balanced diet can provide numerous benefits for weight loss and overall health. However, it's important to note that they should be consumed in moderation and as part of a healthy diet and lifestyle, as excessive consumption can lead to adverse effects.